A Mouthful of Answers presents, what are the best whitening toothpastes? Everyone wants to achieve a whiter smile, and for good reason. Did you know that 50% of people first look at the smile when meeting a new person? But finding the best whitening toothpaste for you is more difficult than it may sound. With so many different whitening options, the toothpaste aisle can feel overwhelming. To simplify your search for the best whitening toothpaste, follow these criteria. The first quality you want to look for in a whitening toothpaste is if it contains a dual silica system. That's because some of the best whitening toothpastes contain special silica particles that polish the enamel. The next important attribute of a whitening toothpaste is its ability to disrupt and destroy initial stains. Specialized ingredients such as pyrophosphate can help prevent stains from forming in the first place. You get this by combining silica and sodium hexametaphosphate. Other more easy-to-pronounce attributes to look for in a good whitening toothpaste are tartar control, which prevents the buildup of excess tartar on your teeth and enamel safely, with fluoride to help strengthen tooth enamel. If you desire a product that provides these qualities we've discussed, consider one of these two Oral-B whitening toothpastes. A healthier mouth starts with Oral-B. Oral-B. Brush like a pro.